about the stacks and the queues now in data structures. If you haven't gone through the basics of the data structures, in the description box you will be finding the links for the types of data structures and even the types of matrices. Go through those links first, then come back to this link and check out the details for the stacks and the queues. So basically, to start with, stack is what? Stack is a linear data structure which follows a methodology or a procedure which is being named as last in first out, LIFO, or the other name given to this one as first in last out, FILO. So these are the vice versa methodologies that we use for arranging a stack. Basic examples of the stack would be a stack of plates, a stack of books, and these are the examples. And the operations that we follow for the stack is pushing of the elements into the stack, popping of the elements out of the stack, means removal of the elements and insertion of the elements will take place from only one end in the stacks, and that is called as the top. And to find out which is the topmost element inside the stack, we have an operation named as top. So basically, stack follows a procedure called as LIFO. LIFO stands for last in first out. It has three basic operations. One is push for insertion of the elements, pop for deletion of the elements, and top, the topmost element to be found. What is the topmost element available in my stack? So that's about the stack. Now coming back to queues, what is a queue? Basically, you find queues in many places, various places, like in the reservation of the ticket counter, bus stands, railway stations, banks, hospitals. Everywhere we follow the procedure of the queue, means it has two ends. One is for the insertion and the other one is for the deletion. What do we do at the insertion end? The insertion end is being defined as rear end. Okay, few of the books follows the name as rear end or rear. It can also be called as NQ. The another method or the name that we can give over here as NQ. And the deletion end is called as DQ, or the another name or the methodology or the method name that we can give as front. So these are the two methods of the queue, and the queue follows a procedure or a method which is called as first in first out, FIFO. Means whichever the element has been entered first, that will be the element to be deleted or removed first. So this is about the stack and the queue. To give the brief overview, stacks and queues both are linear data structures. Stack follows LIFO, last in first out methodology. Queue follows FIFO, first in first out methodology. Stack follows three basic operations, that is the push, pop and the top, and the queue follows two basic operations. One is NQ, insertion of the elements, and DQ, deletion of